This little fella. Yes, if you were following my previous post on my project, it's a homebrew computer. Well, this is a RAM controller, a static RAM controller that of course doesn't work. Why? Well, it was working okay, but for some reasons every now and then, I mean almost always, it froze completely. A whole computer froze. But well, really on random. So I tried fixing it, and it appeared after everything I tried that maybe this chip was bad, that something was wrong with this chip. So I had to remove this one, which I didn't, maybe I should, and just let it run without this one, because then yes, it would not get any data from RAM because it's not there, but it should at least print out some random data on my screen, on my display, without freezing. So because I didn't feel like getting this chip out, I decided that I will just snip a wire, which turned out to be a bad idea because I forgot to unplug the computer, and there were sparks, and basically the whole Hiroshima all over again. Yes, I'm not overreacting, maybe just a little. Well, so this concludes my SRAM part of the project. Too bad. Maybe someday, sometime, somewhere. So I think it's a good thing that it burned, because I think this was the first and probably the only chip in the whole wide world that has inside of it infused self-awareness, because it was working when it wanted and not when I said it should. So I think I just prevented it from taking over the world. You're welcome. Okay, so let's go to what I really want to show you, and that is this. Yeah, it's my very own 30 buttons keyboard matrix. It has, over here it has 30 diodes, very fast switching, and so that nothing backfires. And also it has a controller that is at the back, and you know, for interpreting matrix data and sending it back to CPU, which then in my case right now sends it to display. So before we begin, let's look at what happens right here. Over here I have the controller, which is not mounted yet, but it's working, and there is my display. So let's type something. This is my display, and I'm just going to wait. Yes, so this is working now. I powered it on. It has this blinking cursor, and now we can start pressing buttons. Buttons are exactly like on a real keyboard, but for now reflected, because I made a little mistake, but it's a software thing, so no biggie. So let's see if this works. Yay. It works. Well, that is all. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you later.